Via is a preposition used in two main ways. First, when traveling, to describe how you arrived at a certain place. By way of, as in these examples.
We will go to Amherst via Boston and stay for a short while with Aunt Elizabeth.
I suppose you hadn't thought of going via Paris, had you?
Via can also mean by means of. Watch.
Communicate with you via text?
Or a lot of times, they want me to sing happy birthday to their mom and send it via video.
Think of through as going from the beginning to the end, often with movement, but you experience the whole thing. She learned English through a book. He walked through the park. Now, if you want to use via in the last example, you have to change the sentence to the following. He walked to your house via the park, by way of the park. Answer the 2 quiz questions below in the caption and share this video with someone who needs to hear about the differences between via and through.